Burb Files Midwest edition. Got some new additions to the property. We're equal opportunity. They're not all burbs. Actually, none of the latest round is burbs, but we'll take a look real quick. So here we have an 86 two-wheel drive. Pretty good shape. Probably going to be my next work truck. Lowered down, big boxes on the bed. We'll figure it out. This one's an 86 four-wheel drive. Not too bad of shape, pretty straight. Nearly no rust. She needs some love though. I think I'm gonna buff the paint out. See if I can get it sold that way. Drivetrain kind of sucks, but her room for improvement. Pick up this 99 half ton. Rusted as shit, but runs and drives nice, 170,000 miles. So that into this, we'll see. Who knows? My favorite though is probably this 79 350 4-speed. Good little truck. I believe I'd drive this thing to Texas. I mean, it's just reliable, power steering, power brakes, nearly no rust on this one. Just a good old truck. Probably won't fool with it at all other than drive it. So that's about what we got now. Still got the Skyliner in the shop. Looking for a good time to do some more work on it. Yanked most of the interior out. Headliner was terrible, sagging. It's got this fiberglass topper, so I don't know that I can put a headliner in it myself, but if I do, you guys will probably see it, hear me cuss, fight, throw things. All seems pretty standard in something like this. May end up painting this one too. We'll see. For Missouri, it's in amazing shape because it was a Texas truck. Pretty super straight. Just needs to clear sand it off and scuff and shoot. Not in my usual wheelhouse, so it'll be a first time for me, but I don't think I could screw it up too bad to where it couldn't be painted again. So I believe we're gonna give that a shot. One more look. Stole those buckets out of the other burb just to get some seats in there so we could get some seat time. Tune up on it, took it to town, did some shopping, a couple other little day trips, and it did really good. It's got a massive exhaust leak and needs fixed, but other than that, I just can't see taking this drivetrain out that has 120 or something on it to put a newer one when there's nothing wrong with this. So we'll probably get this going, run it the way it is till it gives us a reason to do something different. And as you can tell, most of the plans around here seem to be only temporary before they get changed or something else happens. So if I ever figure out what the fuck I'm doing, you'll see it here. Have a good one.